What car is this? What car is this? Huh?
Proton.
This one is the Drift King. I see in front.
Yeah, same kind.
Oh, too dark, cannot see your face. Hello.
Hi. Ciao, ada.
I thought somebody else is behind. The light. Can see the face. You got wear seatbelt? Oh, you never wear seatbelt. Okay.
Seatbelt tak apa kan?
Oh, okay. You never wear seatbelt. Okay.
Senang nak drive.
Okay.
Those who like to drive never go for seatbelts.
Serious ah? I know, I'm Singaporean. Alright guys, now I'm in one of my friend car, which is Nissan GTR. So I'm actually a bit afraid now because she's a KL drift queen. So
I drive nicely for you.
what?
No, that drift.
Drive like through KL gangster. It's awesome. Wah, syok eh. Never even get the chance to see anything. I walk only. I don't know where you going actually.
You don't walk this fast.
Oh, over there.
Camera to vlog.
Okay. So I walk like manondol only, like never even like stop. Never give me a chance to see what they're selling. Hi, Ka. Why you never let me?
You just stop still lah.
No, I want to stop. Then you like. Yeah. Then I'm like. Alright guys, we are actually at the Pasar Malam right now. So my friend Ika brought me here. I don't know where we're going. She walked like so fast. Yeah, this one. Ika, where are we going now?
There's this shopping food over there. You nak makan apa?
What is the best here? Huh?
You want anything to drink?
What should I try here?
Do you want anything to drink?
Later, after that. We find.
Ada pisang cheese juga.
Dah terbakar lah, this one dah terbakar. Ni lah macam terbakar ni. Oh, yeah. I'm very noob. You must show me what to get.
Why a jagung pisang ni?
Nice, is it? Nice, ah.
Tengok I selalu makan buat video yang cheese tahu jagung.
Oh, that is the one. This is the one. So it's jackfruit.
Really?
Yeah.
Pisang.
No, this is pedas. The one is pedas.
I have no idea what
Jackfruit.
Oh, jackfruit.
Jackfruit is like nangka, right?
No, nangka is what?
Nangka what?
Nangka,
English what?
nangka mango, right?
Mango is manga.
Oh, mango maksudnya.
Nangka.
I thought it's nangka is jackfruit, but the cepada is not the
It's not jackfruit.
Just say this one nice. You eat first.
Take lah.
I want to
The vlogger has to try it.
Okay guys, we're gonna try the jackfruit, fried jackfruit.
Comes in with the seed.
Then it's very good to eat.
I dropped the seed. She always eat. How is it?
Yeah, this is jackfruit lah.
There? What you want to say?
It's same family, but the jackfruit you cannot fry. This one you have to fry macam pedas.
What
You put it in batter and then fry it.
The jackfruit.
Cannot?
The jackfruit why you cannot fry? This one macam pedas.
Take the jackfruit, put it in that batter.
Nak jalan-jalan tengok barang ke?
Uh,
From there.
I think only guys, this one what terbakar? Is it? This one burned down. How do you feel after the thing burned down? how do you feel?
No, bukan ayam terbakar. Yang terbakar is fine. Ayam terbakar.
A very good answer. Yeah. Bila pakai clothes only walk very slow. I don't know why. But I'm not going to because I'm not getting any shirt, walk very slow. But I want to see the food, walk very fast. I'm food vlogger, you know.
Tapi food tak banyak.
But you never explain to me like, yo, this one what food.
Later
Okay.
I explain that you.
Okay, this one cempedak goreng, okay. And then kat sana ada yang jagung cheese yang saya selalu makan. And then kat sana yang western saya selalu. Actually quite big the place. Actually got a lot. Jana I was asking that side. He said, oh ada banyak lagi banyak. But after that reach here dia ada asam pedas.
Nothing over
No,
there.
the other side right. You just now say. The other across the road. But never mind. Reach your favorite place already. Right? Let's lepak here. Okay guys the pasar malam over already. Very fast. The pasar malam over very fast. Okay, is it?
Because you walk so fast.
No, I walk very fast lah. I never walk very fast. You ask this person in front lah. Okay.
She started it, you continued it.
Okay.
So what do you want
Let's-
to eat? Ada masakan panas dan ada ikan bakar. Ada
Okay.
kerang bakar.
Okay, I leave it to you. You order whatever that is.
Kita tekak air lah, you order.
No, whatever your tekak right. Then I try whatever your tekak. See whether your tekak is nice for my tekak or not. Wah, ambil video boleh
Boleh bang, boleh bang.
Saya letak kat YouTube lah.
Oh boleh bang. Terima kasih bang. Ini boleh lemak ayam.
Nomor 1 TOS.
Ini asam pedas ayam.
Asam pedas ayam.
TOS 2 ya. Ini ayam tu.
Ini asam pedas pari.
Saya punya je. Saya order pari.
Ya. Ada dua person.
Panas ni. Ni address dia apa ya bang? Lebih address?
Bazaria Wang Semaju. Lot A2 29 dengan A2 31.
31. Okay.
Ala-ala kelepok asam pedas.
Ala-ala claypot. Ala-ala claypot asam pedas.
Okay.
Alright guys, I got already the video for the claypot asam pedas. So we ordered two types, right?
Ya.
We ordered two types. One is the asam pedas chicken and the ikan pari. So it'll be coming out.
Okay, that looks good.
That one is yours.
Yeah. I understood that from the color.
That one chicken.
Singapore also have a lot of bro.
Singapore don't have. Why got Singapore have?
First place, that area is completely that.
Tak ada.
No, they never read.
Tak ada.
No, they never read.
Reading, no, I
Yeah,
don't think so.
Because it's
I
not
have
a
no
Muslim
idea.
country, what?
Uh-uh.
Why you want to anyhow read?
Tak ada masalah.
Yeah.
Oh, jalan Yap Crossing, okay. Ni dekat KLCC. I tu
Walkable
dia.
distance to KLCC.
Tapi the house like nice. And this one apartment.
No hotel. The
You
apartment.
want hotel
The
itself?
apartment is fine.
Apartment is good, lah, more space.
But the apartment they worried or not?
No lah.
What are you planning to do?
Okay guys, we finished the dish. How was it?
Tak finish.
Alamak, Lisan, I want to
Show
say.
your plate lah.
You say not finished. See her one.
Finish already.
Also not never finish. How is it?
Habis lah.
How is it?
Okay.
Okay ah. Macam goreng-goreng ni ah.
Better than goreng-goreng.
Yalah, never finish.
Finish lah.
At least I finished mine. Alright guys, we are back at the apartment, my friend's apartment. So it's been a long day, first day in KL after a long 5-hour ride from Singapore. Time check now is actually at 2:15 AM. Haven't really get my rest, so I'm gonna get some rest. Where's the dispenser? Oh, they got washing machine also. dispenser here.
You got everything.
Huh?
Dispenser, washing machine, microwave, induction.
Oh, they got this R1, R2. You are R2.
You want to
Okay, he's R2 but he got nothing here.
green, that's it.
Don't even have anything. What's you have R2?
I just moved in here, bro. I just have some pasta
Bro,
sauce and that's it.
nothing, bro. You got nothing here. R2.
Just have some pasta sauce and that's it.
Oh.
Under the stars up in the sky, directions hard to find. Under the stars up in the sky, I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you